knowledge, if you see the design dun sa gilid ng truck, yung meron siyang may parang acronym, yung footprint na Food on the Road Innovation and Processing Facility. Ay yung po kasama ko po sa EPD, si Joven Marcelo, Engineer Joven Marcelo.
Forward to seeing and continuously supporting this new food trip facility, the aseptic processing module, to create real impact across the regions and stand ready to support its continued development, deployment, and collaboration with industry, academia, and local communities.
Food trip, factory on wheels, ay adaptable, scalable, at community-centric. Isang konkretong hakbang patungo sa isang mas matatag na sistema ng pagkain. Hindi lang po tayo nagbubukas ng bagong pasilidad, binubuksan natin ang kinabukasan kung saan mas ligtas ang pagkain, mas matalino ang pagproseso, at mas malapit ang oportunidad sa bawat Pilipino.
ITBI, as the implementing agency, we are really committed. Eventually, with the pagpupursige ng aming project team, and of course with the help of our project monitoring officer, we were able to deploy the food trucks in the region, and then itong pinaka-huli.
More sophisticated pilot plant kasi meron na siyang pinning machine. Dati kasi ginagamit lang namin is the laminar aseptic food for the fillings. So mas ano na to, mas advanced na.
Lalo na si Secretary Sulido for gracing this launching of our food truck and asset rod.